plant. Okay, plant also need water for their growth. Okay, and so okay, it is over. But idea, living things need food and water. Then come to living things can move. Fourth one, living things move. Yes or no? How? So suppose horse is a living or not living? Tell me. So it is a living. Yes or no? So have you seen horse how it is running? So horse is running means it is move from one place to another place. So think about me and you. Okay, in a lunch period when the school bell will be ring. Okay, you are going outside now. So you are moving from classroom to outside. It is a living. So you also are living things. Yes or no? So example write. Okay, student running. Yes, then horse running. So okay, so student running and a horse okay, so living things here. Okay, living things move. Okay, so living things, what will happen? It will be moved from one place to another place. Yes or no? So the student, the horse, okay, so they are moving. Insect, okay, insect is, tell me, insect is a living or non-living? Bird also it is a living or non-living? So insect and bird both are living because they move from one place to another place. Why they move? They move for their food, for their movement, okay, for their body exercise. Yes or no? So for their work, okay, so that's why the living things, they have a character. It can move from one place to another place. Okay, so the living things have a fifth one. Okay, living things have a sense. Okay, sense means what are the sense? Okay, so in second standard, okay, we already now we have a five sense organ. Yes, so tell me what are the five sense organ? So it is the eye. Yes, ear. How many were? Two. Then tongue. Okay, nose. Okay, so our skin. Five is over. So we have a five sense organ. Yes or no? So living things have a sense organ. Okay, sense organ means how can you now? So when suppose I have a pin. Okay, when I pinch. Okay, when I pinch on the body of what? Gita. Okay, Gita, what will happen? Gita will be feel, sir, it is very paining. Okay, so it is a Gita have a sense organ. Yes or no? Okay, and think about when I threw a chalk towards you. Okay, you suddenly close your eye. Yes or no? So it is a why your eye suddenly close? Because of the sense organ. Yes or no? So and one thing, listen, dog, about dog. Okay, so dog have very strong. Okay, so dog have very strong and smell sense organ. So in police station, yes, or any crime, they are using dog as a, so because dog they can find easily the crime. Okay, crime things. Okay, so easily find out the criminal. Yes or no? So what are the living things have a sense? Yes, so example, we have five sense organ. What are there? Eye, then ear, then tongue. Yes or no? How many were? Four. Okay, third. Sorry, three is over. Okay, tongue, then skin. Yes or no? Then nose. Okay, so we have a five sense organ. Yes or no? So what will happen? These five sense organ will be easily find out the sense. Okay, so suppose I anyone will pinch you, okay? So what will happen? You will be find, yes, anyone will be pinching me, okay? So it is a sense organ, okay? So come to sorry, how many over? It is fifth, okay? Then sixth, come to sixth, okay? So the living things have okay, living things can reproduce. Reproduce, yes or no? Reproduce means so we are putting a seed on the ground, it will be grow and it is a make a plant, so it will be reproduce means from older to new will be grow, yes or no? So like they say from human beings to, okay, so human beings to another baby will be a mother, okay, a mother will be give birth to a small baby, so they are reproduce, okay, again they are give birth to their baby. So think about the dog, okay, dog in how many it may give birth 5 or 6 at the time, yes or no? So means that living dog is a living, so it will be give reproduce, okay. And think about cat, okay, so cat also give birth to their child, so give birth to their child is called reproduce, okay. So write example, okay, dog give, okay, birth to their child, okay. So dog give birth to their child, so it is the character of a living and a non-living, okay. So sixth is over, so come to seventh one, okay. So living things character, it is sixth is over, come to seventh, okay. So seventh, so living things have lifespan, okay, lifespan, okay. So living things have lifespan. Lifespan means your life period, okay. So think about, okay, so what will happen? A cow will be born, okay, after so what will happen? 15 years or 20 years it will be die, yes or no? So human being, what will happen? They will be a mother will be give birth to their child, yes. After, so what will happen? It will be young then old, okay, after they will be die, yes or no? So we are all human beings, we have fixed or it will be vary from person to person, yes. So we have lifespan, okay. Lifespan means the Jivana Chakra, okay. So Jivana Chakra, okay. So what will happen? The lifespan of the all living things have a lifespan, okay. So tell me, this geometry box, they have a lifespan? They have no lifespan. It will be stay unlimited, okay. But think about this plant, okay. Think about the plant, okay. What will happen? The plant will be grow, then it will be give fruits, flowers, all the things. After that it will be die, yes or no? So human being also like they will be come to the our surrounding, then it will be they perform all the activity and after that they will be die, yes or no? So living things have a lifespan, okay. So think about cat, okay. So a cat will be, it will be live or 5 year or 7 year like this, or okay. The human being lifespan mean how much? 60 to it is 80 years. Here, yes or no? So a normal human beings can at least they will be live up to 60 to 80 years, yes or no? So this is the these are the, okay, these are the 7 characteristics of living and non-living things, okay. So sorry, this is the 7 characteristics of only living things. That's why so we can call a plant is a living things because it can move, it can breathe, it can grow, it can reproduce. Okay, it have sense. Okay, so it can move. Okay, yes or no? It need food and water for their growth. Yes or no? So that's why plant, human being are called living, but other are not called living. Yes or no? So this is the all about your living, non-living, human, man-made and natural things. Okay, so one thing you can do, you have to write more about the living, non-living things. Okay, so and you have to observe in your surrounding, in your home, and you have to classify which one is living, which one is non-living. Yes, so thank you my dear student.